Spot Rachel cleaning her toilet. She does this twice a week. She scrubs and scrubs with the toilet brush, but the stains and odors do not go away. She wonders what she needs to do. If you are like Rachel, you will find out what to do in this class. There are substances, usually liquids, powders, sprays or granules, used to remove dirt, including dust, stains, bad smells, and clutter on surfaces. They are called cleaning agents or hard surface cleaning agents. Why do we need these cleaning agents? The purposes of cleaning agents include health, beauty, removing offensive odor, and avoiding the spread of dirt and contaminants to oneself and others. Some cleaning agents can kill bacteria. For example, door handle bacteria, as well as bacteria on worktops and other metallic surfaces, and also clean at the same time. For the kitchen, there are cleaning agents like detergents, abrasives, acids, and degreasers, which contain organic solvents to help dissolve oil and fats, especially for plates and pots. What a great help this can be for the kitchen. I know you would like to know how these cleaning agents are made. I will show you. First, you need the baking soda. Baking soda works as a mild abrasive you can gently scrub things that need to be scrubbed with. It works well to remove odors. It is a recipe for many cleaning agents. Castle soap is an oil-based soap that is an all-purpose cleaner, and it removes fat and oil stains easily. Cornstarch will also be needed. It is used as a starching solution for clothing, but it also absorbs oil and greases. Essential oils help to add a pleasing scent to homemade solutions. A little is usually just enough. Lemons can be great for scrubbing copper bottom pots. The juice works to clean and shine the pans. Lemon juice is a natural bleach and degreaser. Just like baking soda, salt too is an abrasive solution for scrubbing. Salt works well to polish copper and silver, and it also gets rid of rust and mildew. Guess what? Toothpaste is also a recipe for cleaning. It is a very mild abrasive for soft scrubbing. It can be used to clean silver, remove stains on white clothing, tennis shoes, and on any other surface or material where light scrubbing is needed. Now we are going on to vinegar. Vinegar can be used as a fabric softener in the rinse cycle of your washing machine. It makes a great all-purpose cleaner for floors, for stains, for toilets when combined with baking soda. Finally, there is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can be used as a disinfectant. It is also one of the most effective blood stain removers. All of these are the ingredients needed for cleaners. To mix these ingredients, instructions must be strictly followed. New clean bottles should be used. Storage guidelines must be followed, and there must be thorough rinsing after everything is done. I believe you have learned a lot about cleaning agents, their uses and types. You have also come to know the ingredients used in making them. You may go ahead to tell your parents about homemade cleaning agents. They might just decide to make some. Bye for now.